So it is in this light that I now want to share with you how this workshop has been designed, that it is towards these things, that after the coffee break, which we will have at the end of this first session, we are going to have a case study. And in this case study, we're going to discuss a real world situation. And in that case study, some of the groups are going to discuss, present, and they'll present a few things. We may have some answers, we may have some approaches, we'll park them. We will re-examine them at the end of the workshop. So we'll have a case study as the session following this one. Immediately after that, we will discuss what we call roadblocks to performance, which means in everything, for us to reach somewhere, why is it that we are not able to reach there? So let us first understand what are the roadblocks which come in the way of our growth. And it's for growth towards performance. What are those roadblocks? Let us identify them. Then after lunch, the first session would talk of this new engine under the hood. That there's something inside us, that there is a spiritual engine. And let's understand how we can identify, access, tap, use that particular engine for how we operate with the real world. Followed that is the inner journey. Again, understanding a lot more. Like Mr. Venkatraman is saying, there are some natures, predominant natures in us. We'll understand the working of the mind and how it is composed and those components. Locating the heart, understanding where it is, how do we operate from there. So these are all the internal things that each one of us possess, and for us to understand how we can access, tap, operate from those internal great energy sources that each one of us possesses. Following that would be the session on focus and concentration, and we will get some inputs on yoga, meditation, and mindfulness. Again, these are all tools with which we are starting to work in the spiritual gym. All these exercises, tools, understanding where is that spiritual engine, where is that spiritual power, how is it contained, then starting to work to harness different aspects of that to move towards that physical growth. And tomorrow, first session is again a case study. Again, here we will discuss a real life situation. We will come up with some findings, and then we will attempt to answer the same at the end of the workshop. Do we have a better understanding to look at the same thing? The next two sessions would summarize everything that we would have been talking, where we will talk of a spiritual approach to dealing with situations, dealing with relationships, and how do we use that approach for effectiveness and for performance in the real world. Spiritual living, some concepts here and now, how do we do that? All this to summarize what we have learned, to give us those inputs for the objective of the workshop, and then we'll have the summary and closing remarks towards the end of that day. So that's the schedule of the workshop, and that's how the sessions have been designed towards what we have put down so far as the spiritual gym, and the answers for many of this is what we will discuss during the remaining sessions.